Today we're going to test and review Ahhsome by Tomorrow's Products. Tomorrow's Products makes all types of cleaners for all types of different applications. Today we're going to take a look at Ahhsome. This product is designed to remove that awful stench that unfortunately inhabits a lot of dishwashers and washing machines. But before we get too far into this, I want to make sure that I let you know that I am not associated with this company in any way, shape, or form, and I paid for this product out of my own pocket. The price of this product? $27.95. As you can see here, Ahhsome comes in a very small container, 2 ounces to be exact. However, that gives you 12 teaspoons, and each use only requires a half a teaspoon. So you have enough product for 24 uses. In other words, you can clean your washing machine and your dishwasher once a month for an entire year. The back of the container spells out very simple instructions. So, following those instructions, let's try this out on my washing machine. So let's go ahead and get started here. Open it up. As you can see, brand new container. It's got a foil seal on it. Tear that off. And you can kind of get your first impression of the consistency of the Ahhsome. Very much a gel-like substance. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. We have our 1/2 teaspoon measure. Let's go ahead and get the proper amount of the Ahhsome. Trying to scoop it as best I can here. Kind of level it out, make sure I pack it down in there far enough. Trying to make sure I followed the directions exactly. So I will call that 1/2 teaspoon. Go ahead and put it in the 1 cup of warm water. Stir it until the Ahhsome is completely dissolved. And as you can see, it is completely dissolved. Let's move to the washer. The instructions do not indicate what size of load to use, so I'm going to go ahead and set mine on medium. Water temperature is set to hot, and set everything to quick wash per the instructions. The instructions say to put the Ahhsome in the detergent dispenser. My particular washer says to put the detergent in the washing basket, so that's what I'll do. And here we go. I've got my dissolved Ahhsome in 1 cup of warm water. We'll take that, open the washing machine that you can see is starting to fill up. It's filled up sufficiently at this point for me to pour this in. And I'll just go ahead and circle it around, clean out the measuring cup here. Make sure I got all the product in the washer basket. And as a reminder, if I didn't say so already, your washer has to be empty when you do this. We're about halfway through the cycle. And that's what it looks like. Starting to foam up a little bit. Smells pretty good. Everything's completely done. Now the packaging does warn you that the first time you run this, you may get an even worse smell originally. And that smell will go away when you run another cycle of either clean water through or your first cycle of laundry. I went ahead and ran a clean cycle of water through. And this absolutely smells fantastic. There's no hint of the old odor. So that's Ahhsome by Tomorrow's Products. What are my final thoughts and opinions? Well, the first time you use this product on your washing machine, I would suggest running it through twice and then doing a clean water purge. After that, maybe run it once a month. It's going to be up to you whether or not the price justifies the odor elimination that you may or may not get in your particular case. Personally, I think the product works great and I would highly recommend it. Hopefully this video was a help to you, and if it was, well, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. There's a space for all that below. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.